Now in this question number 66. Now the word duplicate is given. How many such pairs? Let us start working out this one, duplicate. Now in this duplicate, tell me how many pairs are there. Let us starting with D. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. No letter is matching with this one. Next U, there is no letter more than this. Next P, Q, R, S, T, U and V, again no letter is matching. L, M, N, O, P, Q, I, J, K, L, M, and C, D, E. That's it. Left hand side to right hand side, we could not able to find even a single pair. Then in the reverse, E, F, G, H, I. Now between E and I, if you observe here, how many letters are there in this word? Between E and I, there are 3 letters. And again in the English alphabet also, between E and I, there are only 3 letters, F, G, H. And next one, J, K, L, M, T, no letter more than this one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And next one, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. That's it. Hence, left hand side to right hand side, there is only one pair, that is choice 2. Then question number 67. Now in this one, there are some 5 people, P, Q, R, S, and T. And they were born on 5 different days of the same month of the same year. Isn't it? 6, 10, 13. Now the dates were clearly given, 6, 10, 13 and 19th and 23rd. 19th and 23rd. Then Q was born on an even number date. As Q was born on an even number date, and so Q can be either on the 6th or on 10th. Then next one, only one person between Q and T, and so T is on 13. And in the second case, T must be born on 19th. And next one, P was born immediately before S. Now in this case, P was born immediately before S, but as in the second case, P born immediately before S is not possible. Then who is the person left over? R. Now the question is about on which date was R born. R was born on 10th, and it is choice 5, question number 67. Then 68. And if all the letters in the word figures are arranged in alphabetical order, F, I, G, U, R, E, S, and they were arranged in alphabetical order from left to right in such a way that first all the vowels are arranged, followed by the consonants. And tell me how many vowels are there? There are 3 vowels, E, I, U, and followed by the consonants F, G, S, R, S. And in this one, which of the following will be 4th letter from the right hand? 4th from the right hand is what? F, choice 2, question number 68. Then 69 onwards, there are some 7 people, and B, J, C, P, E, R, Z, and they study in different classes of the same school. And what are the classes given here? 3, 3rd, 6th and 10th. 3rd, 6th and 10th, that means how many students are there? 7 students, and only 3 classes were given. That means more than one student is studying in each of these class, and it comes under which category? Common parameter distribution. As it comes under common parameter distribution, and so diagram. What is the diagram we need to opt for? 3, 6 and 10. Isn't it? 3, 6 and 10. Now we need to divide this one according to the parameter. Then E studies in class higher than J. E is studying higher than J, but lower than B. Among these 3 persons, B is studying the higher class, and E is studying next one, B and E and J. Clear? And next one, but lower than B. R is junior to P, but not the junior most. R is junior to B, but not the junior most. R cannot be in the 3rd standard. R must be on the 6th standard, and P is in the 10th standard. And G studies in the same class as C. As G studies in the same class as C, at least one person and not more than 3 people study in each of these standards. Isn't it? Minimum 1, and it should not be more than 3. Now if you have taken G and C in 6th class, can you take G and C at this place? Now if G and C were here, then there will be 4 persons in the 6th class, and again 10th class also 4 persons, which is not valid. Hence G and C must be in the 3rd standard. Now this is how these 7 persons are studying in these 3 different classes. And which of the following statements is true with respect to the given information? And E is senior to only J. Is E senior to only J? Now E is senior to G, J and C. And next one, P studies in 10th class. That is definitely true, choice 3. Done with this? And next one, question number 70. And who among the following is not senior to J? Not senior to J. These four persons, E, R, B and P are senior to J, but where G and C, they were not senior here. That is choice 2, question number 70. Then 71. As per the given arrangement, who studies in class 3rd? Now J, G and C are the three persons here. J, G and C, that is choice 3, question number 71. Then 72. How many people are senior to C? Now these are the four persons who are senior to C, E, R, B and P. 4, that is choice 5, question number 72. And 73, it is based on a separate question here and a single question. And Harish correctly remembers that the quiz contest was held in a month after March but before August. After March, before August. Then tell me what are the different months we have? April, May, June and July. There are 4 different possibilities here. And Pradeep correctly remembered that the quiz contest was held after May but before September. After May, before September. And it could be June, July, August. After May, before September. And Prakash correctly remembered that the month in which the quiz contest was held only 30 days. Only 30 days if you observe here, and was held had only 30 days. Now in this one, April, May and so on, isn't it? Sorry, Pradeep correctly remembered that the quiz contest was held after May. After May, that means June and April, isn't it? And June and April. These are the only 2 dates left over according to Pradeep. Now Harish. Now this is according to Harish and this is according to Pradeep here. And Prakash correctly remembers. One more person is there. Prakash, in which the contest was held in only 30 days. Now among this one, April, May, June and July. Now here what are the months that are common? June and July. Now between these 2 months that were common, now the month which is having 30 days is only June. Hence what is your answer here? June, that is choice 2, question number 73. Then 74. Now in this 74 onwards, 74 to 75. Now in these 5 questions, it is being compared in height. Now each of the 5 persons, only 2 questions were given under this one. And these 5 persons are being compared in the heights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And F is taller than C but shorter than B. F is taller than C but shorter than B can be written like this, B, F and C. And next one, and E is shorter than F. Now this E is shorter than F and but not the shortest. And but not the shortest means, hence this E must be in between these two. And B is not the tallest. As B is not the tallest, B is here and F is here. There are 2 persons shorter than this F, that is C and E. And out of which, and E is not the shortest. As E is not the shortest, E is here. If E is here, C is here. Then tell me who is the person left over? D. Then the height of the second tallest, that is B, is 180 centimeters. And the height of the shortest person is 160 centimeters. 180 and 160. Then with respect to the given information, if the sum of the heights of D and B is 365. D as well as B is 365. Now as of now, B is 180 and C is 65. This must be 185. Then next one. And then what is the sum of the heights of D and C? Now D is 185 and C is so much 160. Then what is the sum of these two? And 160 and 184, and that will be 345. That is choice 4, question number 74. Then 75. Which of the following is true as per the given information here? C is taller than E, that is false. And D is the tallest, definitely true. And the height of F is probably 197. F 197 is false. Then what is your answer? Only B, that is choice 175. Then 76 onwards. And what is the information we have? And 76, 7 people went to a place on 7 different days of the same week. And the week starting on Monday and ending on Sunday. And starting with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then coming to condition number 1. Now these 7 persons on these 7 different days. And there is no other parameter added to this one. Then coming to condition number 1 in this. Yes, tell me what is information provided. And 7 days. A visits on one of the days after Thursday. A is on one of the days after Thursday. Hence A can be on Friday, Saturday or Sunday. How many possibilities we have? 3 different possibilities. and out of which D visits on a day immediately after A. Immediately after A, that is D. Immediately after A is D. But where the third case where A is on Sunday is ruled out. Done? And only 3 people will be between D and H. In between D and H there must be exactly 3. And here also 3 in between D and H. H must be on Wednesday. And C visits on a day immediately after K. Now C is immediately after K. C and K are adjacent to each other, and but not on Friday. C cannot be on Friday. As C cannot be on Friday, C cannot be on Tuesday as well. Because if C is on Tuesday, isn't it? And K must be on Wednesday, that is not possible. C is on Thursday, not possible. And K and C, what is the only possibility we have? K and C must be on Monday and Tuesday. Then coming to the next one, K and C, C cannot be on Friday. And here in this one, K and C must be on Wednesday and Thursday. And next, and more than 2 people between F and B. In between F and B, there must be exactly 2 people. B visits on one of the days after F, B is here and F is here. And in the second case, B and F are adjacent to each other. In between B and F, there must be more than 2 people, which is not possible. And the second case got invalid. Now we have left with only the first one. Then according to this one, question number 76. And who visits a place on Sunday? Now tell me, Sunday, who is that person? B, choice for 76. Then 77. In this 77, how many people visit a place before C? Now before C, how many persons are there? There are exactly 3 people. 3, that is choice for 77. And 78, which of the following is not true with respect to the given information? Less than 3 people visit before K. That is true or false? Yes, that is definitely true. But as the question is about not true means it must be definitely false. And so choice 1 cannot be your answer. And no one visits between C and A. That means C and A are adjacent to each other. And this is also definitely true. And it cannot be our choice. And only 4 people between F and B. In between F and B, how many persons? There are 5 persons. But as 4 is definitely false. And so choice 3, 78. And 79, as per the given information, K is related to Monday. K is related to Monday means K is 2 days after Monday. And C is Tuesday. And C is related to Tuesday means C is 2 days after Tuesday. And to who among the following B related to? Now B is 2 days after whom? Friday. That is choice 2, question number 79. And 80, on which day does H visit a place? H visits a place on Tuesday. That is choice 1, question number 80. Next one, 81 to 85. Now in this 81 to 85, how many people are there? There are some 10 people. And they are seated in 2 parallel rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is one row. The other row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 another row. And in row 1, in a row faces another member. In row 1, T, P, Q are S and T, and they are facing towards north. Now these are the persons who are seated in row 1 facing towards north, and in the other A, B, C, D and E they are facing towards south. Then coming to condition number 1, T sits third from an extreme and other row. T is third from one of the extreme ends of the row, either third from the left extreme, third from the right extreme. Only one person between T and S, S can be either at the left extreme or S can be at the right extreme. Now here there is a second possibility as well. T is here and S is at this place. Then next one, the one who faces S is an immediate neighbor of B. Now he is the person facing S, and that person is an immediate neighbor of B, B must be here. And in this case also S opposite immediate neighbor of is B. B is here, and only one person between B and D. D is at this place, and similarly here also D is at this place. And R sits to the immediate left of Q. R and Q are adjacent to each other, out of which R is to the immediate left of Q. And here again R is to the immediate left of Q. And next one, if R is here, then who is the person left over? P is the person left over, and here P is the person left. And the one who faces Q sits second to the left of C. Now this person is facing Q, and that person is seated second to the left of C. C must be in between B and D. And again the person who is facing Q is this person, and that person is seated second to the left of C is not possible, because this person himself is second from the left hand. Hence this is ruled out. Now we have left with the first one. And E sits at one of the positions to the right of A. E is at one of the positions to the right of A, as these persons are facing towards south. E is to the right of A means towards our left hand side, that is E is here. And what is the final arrangement? E, B, C, D, A and S, P, T, R, Q is the order. Then 81, 4 out of the following. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. RESQA. Now out of this RESQA, E, S, Q and A, except this R, the remaining 4 persons are at the corners, isn't it? At the ends of these 2 rows, R is not at the row, end of the row, choice 1. And 82, which of the following is true with respect to the given information? E sits second to the right of C. E is seated second to the right of C, definitely true, isn't it? It's definitely true, choice 1, 82. Then next one, 83, and which of the following depicts the position of D as per the given arrangement? The one who faces an immediate neighbor of B. The one who faces an immediate neighbor of B is false, and immediate left to A. Now D is to the immediate right of A rather than left. Second to the left of E, that's again false. And next one, the one who faces R. S, D and R are opposite to each other, choice 4, 83. And who among us the following faces A? Now A and Q are opposite, that is choice 5, question number 84. And 85, what is the position of P with respect to T? Now P with respect to T, P is to the immediate left, and it is given in choice 4, question number 85. Then 86 onwards, there are some 3 questions given on this blood relations here. And B is married to C. B is married to C means B and C are married couple. B is married to C. And B is the mother of both these 2 persons, D and E, which implies that C is the father of these 2 persons, D and E. And next one, D is the only daughter of C. D is the only daughter of C. Hence obviously this E must be the son of this B and C. And next one, F is married to E. E is a male, married to F, a female. And F is the only child of these 2 persons, H and I. That means H and I got married, isn't it? And F is the only child of this person. F is the only child of H and I. Next one, H is the son-in-law of J. H is the son-in-law of J. H is a male. Son-in-law of J means, that means I's parent is J. H is the son-in-law. J's daughter's husband is H. And J is married to K. J and K are a married couple. Then in this one, how is I related to K? And K's daughter. Daughter is I, that is choice 4, 86. 87, how is F related to C? Now F related to C, C's son is E, son's wife is daughter-in-law, choice 3, question number 87. Then in this 88, how is E related to H? E related to H, H daughter is F, daughter's husband, that is son-in-law, choice 4, 88. Then 89 onwards, boxes. And boxes 89 to 93 are the 4 questions. And next one, 94 to 100. Then if you observe here, up to here we have done all the questions starting with 66. Now this is boxes. Boxes kana venakku easy ga unnayemo chuskondi. And if you observe here 94 onwards, 94 to 100 now these questions can easily be done, isn't it, within less time when compared with boxes. Hence boxes in general, in prelims, it must be second priority. Done? Then next one. And 8 boxes are stacked one above the other. More than 4 boxes are kept between Q and P, and Q is kept at one of the positions above P. Q is at one of the positions above P. Q is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 4 boxes means either 5 boxes or 6 boxes between Q and P. And again, what is the other possibility we have? Q is here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Now in the second case we have 8 boxes, but as in the first case we have only 5 boxes, and one more box may be immediately before this Q or immediately after this P in the first case, because altogether we have some 8 boxes. And next one, only 2 boxes are there in between Q and O. In between Q and O we need to have exactly 2 boxes, hence O is here. And here again in between Q and O there must be exactly 2 boxes. And only 3 boxes between N and M. N is not kept immediately below Q. N is not kept immediately below Q and in between N and M. And one more information here. M is at one of the positions below O. M is at one of the positions below O. Can we take M at this place? If M is here, now in between M and N there must be exactly 3 boxes. Then where should this N? Q and N must be in the same place, which is not possible, isn't it? Because there must be exactly 3. Hence M cannot be here. And can we have N at this place? If n is here, 1, 2, 3, m will be at this place. But as we have one more information, n is not kept immediately below q. Hence n cannot be here, which implies that m cannot be here. And n cannot be here as well. If n is here, then p and m must be in the same place, not possible. Hence n cannot be at this place. Then what is the only possibility? If you have n at this place, 1, 2, 3, m is here, then altogether there were some 9 boxes rather than 8. And the first case completely got invalid. Done with this? Then what is the next one we have? And m. Can we have m at this place? If we have m at this place, 3 boxes between m and n not possible. Hence m cannot be here. Then if you take m at this place, then 3 boxes between m and n is at this place. It is possible or not? And no. Why it is no here? And n is not immediately below this q. N is not immediately below this q. Hence n and m cannot be here as well. Then what is the only possibility we have? N is here, 1, 2, 3, m is at this place. Done with this? The next one, m is kept at one of the positions below O. L is kept immediately above K. L and K must be together. L is immediately above K, hence L and K must be in these 2 places. Then which box is left over here? J is the box left over. J must be second from the top. J is kept at one of the positions above this L. Done with this? Then 89. Which of the following is true with respect to the given information? O is third box below J. O is second box below J rather than third. J is kept fifth from the top. That's again ruled out. And choice 4, only 2 boxes between M and P. That is again ruled out. L is kept at one of the positions above P. That is definitely true. Choice 5, question number 89. Clear now? And next one, 90th. And what is the position of J in the given stack of boxes? J is second from the top. And next one, immediately above N is definitely true. Choice 1. 90, it is choice 1. And 91, in the given stack of boxes, if all the boxes are arranged in alphabetical order from bottom to top. Alphabetical order from where? From bottom to top. Starting with J. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Hence, Q is the only box that remains at the same place. How many boxes will remain unchanged? Only one box, that is Q, choice 1. 91. 92. How many boxes are kept between J and K? In between J and K, tell me how many boxes? There are exactly 3 boxes, choice 2, 92. 92, it is choice 2. 93. Which box is kept second from the top and fourth from the bottom respectively? Second from the top is J and fourth from the bottom is L. J and L, that is choice 4, question number 93. The 94, it is based on directions. Now point X is 6 meters to the west of R. X is 6 meters to the west of R can be written like this. Now the distance is how much? 6 meters. And next one. And T is 12 meters to the north of X. Now this is T. And the distance between these two is how much? 12 meters. And Z is 16 meters to the east of it. 16 meters. Now up to here this is 6 and 10 more meters. And the distance between these two is how much? 16. X is 16 meters to the east of X. X is here. And the next one, sorry, Z is 16 meters. Z is 16 meters to the east of T. And V is 12 meters away from Z. V is 12 meters away from Z, hence this V could be either north, west, east or south, that is not clearly known. And but whereas at the same time, X and V fall in a straight line. X and V falls in a straight line. And the distance is how much? The distance is 12 meters. And at the same time, they were in a horizontal straight line. The distance between R and V is equals to 10 meters. And next one, in which direction and how far is R with respect to V? Now we need to find out the direction and the distance of R with respect to V. Now R is towards west. And what is the distance we have? 10 meters. Hence 10 meters towards west, that is given in choice 5, question number 94. Done with this? Then 95 onwards, they are based on set of numbers. Now in this set of numbers 95 to 99, and if the digits of all the numbers are arranged in descending order from right to left, from right hand set to left hand set, the digits are arranged in which order? Descending order. Right hand set to right hand, left hand set means 742. It is nothing but arranging all the digits in the ascending order from left to right. Both are one and the same, isn't it? Then which of the following will be third highest? Third highest means, let us discuss about the least digit here. Least digit is 2. And here the least digit is 4, this is 3, this is 5 and this is 5. Then least digit, third one highest means highest is what? 5, 5. And third one is, this is the third highest. And so what is your answer here? 946, that is choice 2. Done? సరిపోయిందా లేదా 95? Then, as one more. And 427. Now 427, all the digits of all the numbers are arranged in descending order from right to left. Right to left, this 427 now will become right to left descending order. And the number is 247. And next this 946 will be, and 469. And next one, and 738 will be 378. And next 596, and this will be 569. And next one 587. Now out of these 578. Now in this 578, and which one of the following will be third highest? Third highest, now which is the first highest here? And 1 and 2, and third highest is 469. Now this 469 we are getting from where? 946. And so what is your answer? Choice 2 is the answer. Clear now? Then 96. Now in this question number 96, how many digits are there in the numerical series between second lowest digit of the third highest number? And this is the first highest, second highest, and third highest 738. Now in this one third highest, and which is the lowest second digit of the, they are there in the numerical between second lowest digit of the third highest number. Third highest number 738, and second lowest is what? 7. 3 is the lowest, second lowest is 7. And the third highest digit of the second lowest number. Now second lowest number, first lowest is 427, second lowest is 596. Now in this 596, which digit I need to take? Third digit of the second lowest. Third digit is 6. Now between 6 and 7. And do we have any number in between these two? And how many digits are there in the numerical series between second lowest digit of the third highest number? Highest number, first highest, second highest, and third highest. Now in this third highest number and second lowest digit. Now second lowest digit is so much? 7. And now how many digits are there in between? And the third highest digit of the second lowest number. Second lowest number is 596. Third highest 9. Isn't it? Third highest is 9. Now in between 7 and 9, how many digits we have? Only one digit, 8 in the numerical system. That is choice 1 is the answer, 96. Then 97, if the numbers, the digits of all the numbers are to be multiplied within the number, and then the numbers thus formed are to be arranged in ascending order from left to right, which of the following will be third from the right hand? Now we need to identify the third lowest or the third highest. Then now the product of these numbers, 4 into 2 into 7 is how much? 4 into 2, 8 into 7, 56. Then here it is 9 into 6, 9, 6, 54 into 4, 54 into 4, that is 216. Then 7 into 3 into 8, now 56 into 3, and 56 into 3 is how much? 168. Then 9 into 6, how much? 54. 54 into 4, 270. And 40 into 7, now the number is 280. Then if the digits of all the numbers are multiplied within the number, then the numbers thus formed are arranged in ascending order from left to right. Ascending order, then which of the following will be third from the right hand? Now tell me which is the third from the right hand here? 56 and 168 and 216. The 216, choice 2, 97. Then 98. Then in this 98, if all the numbers are arranged in descending order within the number, descending order within the number, what is the difference between second highest and the lowest number? All the numbers are arranged in descending order. Now this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4 and 5. All the numbers are arranged in descending order within the number. What is the difference between the second highest number? What is the second highest we have? 857. And the second highest number. Second highest number and the lowest number. What is the lowest number? 427. Now the difference between these two. What is the difference we have? All the numbers are arranged in the descending order. Then the difference between the second highest. And second highest is 857. And the lowest number is 427. Then what is the difference we have between these two? ascending order, then all the numbers are arranged in the descending order within the number. Now it is not the numbers, it is the digits, isn't it? If all the digits are arranged, all the digits are arranged in the descending order within the number, isn't it? Now if the digits are arranged in the descending order, this will be 742, next will be 964, here the digit is 783, next one it is 965 and 875. 870. Now wait, first I am writing all the digits in the descending order. Third one. Now this will be 873. 873 and next one 875. Then are arranged in the descending order within the number. What is the difference between second highest? What is the second highest we have? 965 is the first, 964 is the second. And lowest number. What is the lowest number we have? 742. Now the difference between these two. How much is the difference here? 222, choice 3, 98. Then 99. Now in this 99, and if all the even numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right, after that, on the right of these numbers, all the odd numbers are arranged. Which of the following will be in the middle of the sequence? Now first all the even numbers are arranged in the ascending order. Then tell me what are the even numbers we have? 738 and first 1, 2 and 3. And so what is your answer here? 946, choice 5. Then because it is at the middle. And 100. Now in this question number 100 and the word. What is the word we have? Pause. The word is pause and QPTBI. Now QPTBI. And P and Q, the difference is how much? Plus 1. O and P plus 1. U and T minus 1. C and B minus 1. And next one H and I, it is plus 1. Then how will right be coded is in this one? Right. Now in this word right, W plus 1 X, R plus 1 is S, I minus 1 is H, T minus 1 is S, and E plus 1 is what? F. X, S, H, S, F. And choice 3 is answer 100. Done with this? Then anything else left over in this paper? Number series. Now question numbers please in this number series. Question numbers 61 to 65. Now in this 61 to 65, now number once decreased, from there onwards it started increasing. And 36 and 18. 36 and 18, what is the number we have? Into 0.5. Next one it is into 1. Into 1.5. Into 2. Next one is into 2.5. Into 2.5 is how much? 540, 270, 135, choice 2. Done? Choice 2 is the answer 61. And 62. Now here if you check out for the difference, 212 and 170, what is the difference between these two numbers? And the difference between these two numbers is how much? 42. And next difference is how much? 35. And next one is 28. What are these numbers? 42, 35, 70. 76, 75, 74, 7, 3 is. Next one 72 is 14, 7 minus 1. 72 minus 7 is how much? 65, choice 1, 62. Then 63, 11 and 12. Now 11 numbers starting with 11, and if you observe the choices, 1500, 1600 and so on. 11 into 1 plus 1, 12 into 2, 24 plus 2, and 26 into 3, 78 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5. Now 328 into 5, 1640 plus 5, 1645, choice 3, 63. Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3 and so on. Then 64, 14 and 15, the difference is 1. Here the difference is 4. Next one is 9. 1, 4, 9, 16. Here it is 25. Next one is 36. The answer is 105, choice 2. Squares are added. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square are added. And finally 65. 117 and 116. What is the difference we have? Minus 1. And 16 and 14, 2. And 14 and 11, 3. Next one it is 5. Isn't it? 11 and 6 it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Any order we have in this one? 1, 2, 3, 5 cannot be prime because 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 1 plus 2. 3. 3 is 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 106 minus 8. And what should be the number here? 98 should be the number. Then, now the given numbers differences are in Fibonacci series. Now 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. All these numbers are called Fibonacci. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 8 plus 13, 21 and so on. And it falls under Fibonacci series. Done with this?